These multitasking sticks create light and definition where you need it most. Designed to contour, highlight, and conceal, this super smooth formula moisturizes as it minimizes pores, while vitamin C brightens skin and fights the signs of aging. Use a lighter shade to highlight. Apply to the top of cheekbones, around the mouth, and above and below brows. Then blend with your fingertip. Use a darker shade to contour. Apply along the hollows of your cheeks, jawline, and the sides of the nose. Then blend with your fingertip. Dot a lighter shade in the inner corner of the eye to reduce puffiness. Get a flawless look as amazing as you are.